Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube account. James here again. Today in less than 60 seconds I'm going to take you through one fundamental resource you need to be using in your ACCA revision for your upcoming exam. Now, 84% of ACCA students currently use this resource. That means 16% don't, and they are past papers. Surely I'd be thinking to myself, and this is my opinion, if I've got an upcoming exam, I want to be doing the past papers of what has previously come up before. But then you're asking me, oh James, where do I actually find these if I'm in that 16%? Well, if you go to the actual details and the description in this video, I'll put the link to the student support resources on ACCA's website. Simply scroll down, as you can see on my screen, attempt the questions you're going through, and the more practice you do, the better. Don't look at the answers beforehand. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video and content, feel free to subscribe. 82 followers and counting, taking over the world as usual, but as always on that bombshell, I'll see you next time. Cheers.